Hi all, glad to join back with a new video. Well, if you're new here, my name is Rupak, and in this channel I'll be doing tutorials based on drawings, origami, artworks and anything both interesting and cool. And today we'll learn how to make an easy origami sturdy box, friends. Well, in order to make this you'll require an A4 sheet of paper, friends. I'm using a color sheet. If you want you can even use a regular printed paper. Now let's get started. So first, friends, let's fold a sheet of paper exactly into half. Crease it well. Now let's again fold it into half, friends. That is forming exactly 4 equal parts. Crease it. So this is how it looks. Now let's unfold it and then fold this flap in order to align with this crease, friends. That is forming a rectangle. Crease it and repeat the same fold here as well. So it looks somewhat like a house, friends. Now let's turn our papers and repeat the same fold here as well, friends. But actually I'm just folding one flap, the other flap should remain like this. Fold it like this and crease it. Now let's bring the entire flap and fold it like this, friends. Crease it. Unfold it, turn our papers and repeat the same step. And unfold it, friends. Now let's fold it, that is take this flap and fold it on top of this. That is forming a loop, that is a small pocket over here. Crease it. And well, here comes the important folds, friends. Now let's slowly pull it up like this and try to make the edges sharp like this. So exactly we have a sharp line right over here. Now fold it like this, just a minute, forming a triangle right over here, friends. Now repeat the same fold on the other side as well and gently crease it, friends. Like this. So you can of course see a small rectangle inside, so we need to fold it according to that. Having done this fold, you could insert this triangle right over here, friends. Now crease it. You turn over and again insert it over here. And now you can of course see a box taking its avatar. Crease it. And here it is, friends, our easy origami sturdy box. So now we just fold in the sides to make sharp creases. And it's all ready, friends. Wow, it looks so cool, isn't it, friends? And our easy origami sturdy box is all ready, friends. If you want, you could draw some patterns, doodles, etc. right over here and decorate it and take it to the next level, friends. You could store in rubber bands, clips, etc. in this, or even make this as your pen stand. See, it doesn't fall, friends. Well, the ordinary box, if you place the scale, it couldn't evaluate and may fall like this. But this one isn't like that, it's sturdy, friends. And I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, ring the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. And yes friends, until next time, this is Rupak signing off. Think Unlimited.